Find the LCM of 68 and 78. To find the LCM, for that we should frame it in this way. 68 comma 78. This is your step 1. Now you should focus on to the first number, which is 68 here. In this number, last digit 8 even, so take 2. First number 6, when do we get 6 in 2 table? 2 3 is 6. The other number 8, when do we get 8 in 2 table? 2 4 is 8. Now the other number 78, last digit 8 even, so this is divisible by 2. First number 7, a number close to 7 in 2 table is 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 1 carried forward, 18, when do we get 18 in 2 table? 2 9s, 18. Now 34, last digit 4 even, so take 2. First number 3, a number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 1s, 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 carried forward, 14, when do we get 14 in 2 table? 2 7s, 14. The other number 39, last digit 9 not even, so this is not divisible by 2. So you write it down as it is. Now here we have 17, 17 is a prime number, so 17 1 17. The other number 39 not divisible by 17, so you write it down as it is. Now we got 1 here, so focus on to the other number 39. Last digit 9 not even, so not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3. To check divisibility by 3, for that we should add the digits. 3 plus 9, we get 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. So take 3. First number 3, when do we get 3 in 3 table? 3 1s, 3. The other number 9, when do we get 9 in 3 table? 3 3 is 9. Now we have 13, 13 is the prime number, so 13 1s, 13. So we got 1 in both the places. So our LCM is the product of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 17 into 3 into 13. When we multiply these numbers, we get 2652 is our LCM.